Hello everyone, this is your Weather on Fly Outlook and discussion for Sunday, May 25, 2025. Update concerning convective outlook days 2 to 3. For Monday, there is a slight risk of severe thunderstorms from much of central Texas into parts of Arkansas and northern Louisiana. Modest southwest flow aloft will persist over the southern plains and into the Tennessee and Ohio valleys on Monday, with embedded waves in association with convective clusters throughout the period. At the surface, high pressure will remain over the northern plains, Great Lakes, and Northeast, with a large-scale boundary roughly from northern Texas into South Carolina. Substantial moisture will remain south of the front, with episodes of thunderstorms producing primarily strong to damaging gusts. Models indicate that early-day convection, possibly with wind potential, will affect much of eastern Texas into southern Arkansas and northern Louisiana, and move into Mississippi during the day. Substantial moisture and instability will remain across the region ahead of any such system, suggesting a wind threat. If the early-day storms diminish, outflows may still serve as a focal point for afternoon development. Additional warm sector activity may develop eastward into Alabama and Georgia as well, where shear will be weak but instability sufficient for locally severe gusts or marginal hail. Strong instability will redevelop across the region in the wake of the early activity over much of eastern Texas. Cool mid-level temperatures, combined with upper 60s plus dew points, will lead to strong instability. The nose of the low-level lapse rate plume emanating out of southwest Texas will be a primary focus for supercell development, with very large hail and perhaps a brief tornado possible. Near or just east of the lapse rate plume may be the composite front and outflow boundary, and a large convective complex is forecast during the late afternoon and evening. Details are inherently uncertain with these mesoscale convective system tracks and antecedent outflows, but in general, much of central into eastern Texas should experience strong to severe wind gusts. Beneath the upper wave, cold temperatures aloft and daytime heating over the high terrain will lead to an uncapped air mass along the Front Range and extending south across most of eastern New Mexico. Easterly upslope flow combined with weak westerlies aloft may be sufficient for scattered cells producing marginal hail. Clustering of storms with aggregate outflows may stretch into the Oklahoma and Texas panhandles late, with marginal wind and hail risk. For Tuesday, there is a slight risk of severe thunderstorms over parts of southwest Texas. An upper low will remain over the northern plains on Tuesday, with modest west-southwest flow aloft stretching from the southern plains and across the Tennessee and Ohio valleys. High pressure will remain over the northern to central plains, upper Mississippi Valley and Great Lakes, limiting northward moisture return at the surface. A zone of moderate to strong instability will remain on Tuesday from much of Texas eastward along the Gulf Coast states, with an effective east-west boundary pushing south each day due to multiple rounds of storms and outflows. Scattered storms may be ongoing roughly from northeast Texas into Tennessee Tuesday morning, with various outflows spread southeastward across the region, aiding new daytime development. Locally damaging gusts will be the primary concern. Farther west, severe storms chances appear greater, as easterly surface winds bring a moist air mass far westward into a region of steep lapse rates. Although mid-level winds will not be strong, the combination of deep low-level easterlies and good high-level flow may support scattered severe storms in clusters, with hail and wind potential as instability will be strong and over 3,000 joules per kilogram. Be sure to share, like and subscribe for the latest Storm Prediction Center outlooks.